The point is that
Dr.
Bawumia ni twi kasa no
emu na ho sa ho
emu nye clear enye clear nso a utie na otwefa obo because ensem na no okay
emu die na kwadwen ntro
no tie first of all I'm not talking about
no make us ensem na wo ka no wo ka the right platform
yes
but say because religious media who gym politics ye nyina boa with nation development and the religious group mo fuma ntum ade na ya monka nya monka ana ba omi amount platform religious platform no wo ka say dum so ho honum no kra what I say what say about promise 133 24-hour economy ko say koko akwafo say mahama wo beka wo meka nchem say odo mu ka is not the right platform to say
abuzafo me mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but homo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what any notifications say be next time videos of this nature about so bit makabi also watch your comment section there my sir alright tell me nyamu nefe Mr. President about madaroma if by chance the year of the effort into our work is here work nika now person oboan ya Mr. Mo number na wase no reach through here na the woman be ensebeka esaka ya ni beje pa na ebede wase so na ene de migina na Jantua so abusia empanyimfo se so ma wonua antwa nkwa wo ntwa ndu esa na bi mu so ka na se so ma wonua antwa nkono a wo ntwa ndu esa na te minim bone a NPP amenye kode ye na Jantua besi na nti even NPP in opposition ogusu tan NPP sa na so ko na ndezi fo ye na didija kakra bi a na yen no obesu a kire se ye me support no. And such a personality, such a character is a threat to our democracy. We must be honest. And with time, Abuja may be digesting into the issue. You see, the more video all can say about Dr. Bawumia. Recently, Dr. Bawumia ne said in KTSI SD4 conference biase. And I don't know how people understand Christianity. Abuja me a Christian. Christianity goes beyond mekwa sorry. In fact, semetina asore dem in feel oha. Na se mi huminia, na mi buminia kwase a me Kristo ni. You were said in Ketia ne John Dramani mama, you were John Dramani Assemblies of God ni. Obetu ni nesi Assembly of God asore dem de bia kodi communion akoto offering. Now so when Kristo ni free say enye ye ane time wo hye Ghana fo no enye Kristo som abuso so woni menya adwa no achewa comment so woni menya adwa so achewa comment section wa me enye ye a ye John Dramani mama o hye Kristo fo o hye Ghana fo no sabi eno enye Kristo som minim Assemblies of God sa na kire wo ha because me de sabi mi su mi fiefo bi me assembly o ye nim say ye nkire wo mo sa. It's a conference that's in here Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomeka chom say Ghana for say one country say din ketenon country John Dramani mama say or de kokko akuafo ka that is Christianity. Ghana for say one country say omo moton cashew omo moton and that stuff like farmers I say here John Dramani mama e de omo ka that is Christianity.
The point is that Dr. Bawumia ni twi kasa no
emu na ho sa ho
emu nye clear enye clear nso a utie na otwefa obo because ensem na no okay
emu die na kwadwen ntro
no tie first of all enye ntro I'm not talking about
no make us ensem na wo ka no wo ka the right platform
yes
but say because religious media who gym politics ye nyina boa with nation development and the religious group mo fuma ntum ade na ya monka nya monka ana ba omi amount platform religious platform no waka say dum so honum no kra what I say what say about promise 133 24-hour economy ko say koko akwafo say mahama wo beka wo meka nchem say odo mu ka it's not the right platform
was to it a political platform
that it was a religious platform
and then na we use religious platform a non-partisan to channel something even the communication was more political it wasn't something more appealing from the national perspective.
Exactly.
It was like okwa could throw shot to be man
and okwa catch say Muhammad
omo ka say me ba me sia say din ketia e ho na no ahu say You are turning a religious platform into political platform. What's your true self?
Okay, I get it.
Because Osha pastors in anymore, they were laughing, but they were not comfortable.
Oh, really?
Yes. Go and check the body language.
Oh, okay.
You understand? And your friend of semantics, you know. What do you say? The gestures. What one can't tell. Oh yes, on you comfortable because one you could be say na ya flower be can say man na wo ha na be MPP ni NDC.
Look, I mean, I was not expecting it. Or shall I say with the Ockham tribal bigotry, religious bigotry, I was really excited.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, he's speaking well.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So you see, and I make us say, sure, John Mahama, and when you say platform we are, he will know how to even to your politics club, who hour, obey me, a handle na who say. Or yes, our politics no. Or yet dear, but or better say. What I say also or can do so issue na. Or bet can in such a way be more who say. Memo be a na down. Na yen ye say. What I say?
Yeah.
A strategy. And it's not say didn't get your buy no one they will see answer penny castle.
Yeah.
More mode
Platform be politics no. Mata say yes me ba mo amode platform be asore dem body politics abamu no. Ye nyina mo mpa yankofo mbode nche
one day we twa uti wa mo hu say sebi wo ye penyin toto.
Oh masa but there so ne say kwadwo asebe Dr. Bawumia kan no
because he could have said it not in a political tone.
Okay.
You understand?
If I do so bet maka say I know say we are dealing with nationwide crisis.
Yes.
Ye mo mpa ye ne nyina say asori die mu nyina makwa asori mai die. Ye ogidi o mpa bom ye mo mpa ye na ban no.
And even cry no say based on that no mu nyina nso mu ye Christo for nso contribute a lot. Mu vote in towards national development.
Exactly.
International issues ba obesre asompani SDA for say mama unja mayenko a mo criticize ye because mo can so because bibia ye be bia na be affect mo ebi si say nansen koko issue ya be mo so ebi kra mo bi eye koko nansen electricity I'm sure some should do so affect mo bi enti mamu nya mayenko a
mo ko say we simple but we should have communication expert around you.
That's what I'm saying say ye mani nti ye ko ka ye mpenase
no twisting na
ye mpe wasem say ad hominem the issues na no
yeah.
If you say also would do rade ne momo no vessels are suma rade no won tell those vessels no odo a unye Christo ni. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It's between a selling ketia and Dr. Lajba conference from a Christian perspective, minim nipa kumam. But from a Christian perspective, Dr. Mahmoud Bauman was more Christian than Assyrian Ketia. And because Nana Jantua has a lot of hatred for NPP, and beyond the word hatred, he has that word or that character or that trait or that feeling for Dr. Mahmoud Bauman. He is trying to shade off whatever Dr. Mahmoud Bauman did. But trust me, he was more Christian than Assyrian Ketia. It's as simple as that. Cocoa farmers are quite besia because they were too for the catch say, oh, I me government the eba, me government, me to music come say boom, 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 boom. Cocoa equiafo, me tomodo, cocoa equiafo, me musica p, me pedamu ketchim, me cocoa equiafo, equiduma e kama, aya kono, it's almost the who did the quaje besia, I won't quaje besia by a mam cocoa mu high sense. Once I'm saying a change, Mary. It is a papa, o mame, unye bi. Ene ka kwache bosia de koye kokoo adwuma na eba ya beti so na ode aban bosia fo ka. Nka de bro ye no, obebo na baso na obetan no. Na na agent wa dey. You see, this time around, if you try to go after Bawumia, we will come after you. It's as simple as that. In Phoebe Echembodi any din na gentility sir, and it affected us 2024 elections. We had the likes of you and some others calling our leaders' names. And those names stuck into the head of Ghanaians. I'm going to abeti MPP. This time around, ucha yebesi usi yebecha shedem yebeba. Because you say mo fu hu na mo dwen Ghana nkoso ho. Se ka wonu ba bia na wo maame bi na yekuku ahweduma na da asema ba wo meka nka beti ase okae no wo na Jantua da anya wo de efise wo NDC amanyekun bi anu be didi ma obi edi ba me kuani me maame kuani me na na kuani a se bi omudi twa me school fees omudi to de anu ma di ndie okae me mani age fise wa ka me boso asem na ama me because obi ni man kusi ase ri nkete obabi entima nka nkyere no say it was not a political platform. Me pacho one say MPP for you or say Ghana for say I say Ghana for the word Ghana for a political word and a political term. Abuja wo de mo hwe video no mo hwe video ye mo say Nana Jantua is stepping so low just to protect NDC and ayenungwase ayema such a journalist able me step out the credibility all in the name of me party now power, me end this now power. Nobody say when they now be too afraid, and you may feel. A busa de moncha, I'm going to video.
And ye say. What you say?
Yeah.
A strategy. And it's not said, didn't get buy and one they will see answer penny castle.
Yeah.
More mode
Platform be politics no. Mata se yesi me ba mo amode platform be asore dem body politics abamu no. Ye nyina mo mpare yankofo mbone nche wo.
One day we twa uti wa mo hu se sebi wo ye penyin toto.
Oh masa ba ade nso ne se kwadwo asebe Dr. Bawumia kan no
because he could have said it not in a political tone.
Okay.
You understand?
If I do so bet maka say I know say we are dealing with nationwide crisis.
Yes.
Ye mo mpaye ne nyina say asori die mu nyina makwa asori mai die. Ye ogidi wo mpaye bom ye mo mpaye na ban no.
And even cry no say based on that no mu nyina nso mu ye Christo for nso contribute a lot. Mu vote in towards national development. International issues ba obesre asori mpani SDA for say mama unja ma yenko a mo criticize ye because mo canon so because bibia ye be bia na be affect mo ebi se na nsen koko issue ya bay mo so bi kra mo bi eye koko na nsen electricity I'm sure some should do so affect mo bi enti mamu nya ma yenko a
mo ko say we simple but we should have communication expert around you.
That's what I'm saying say ye mani nti ye ko ka ye mpena sem
no twisting na
ye mpe wa sem say ad hominem. The issues now, you attack wo instead of the message.
Okay.
Oh, they say you jam message to one about be attack one, not substance no. You dey to baby.
Because they okay, they say can you deal.
Na me say communication you tia ho ka, you tia ka, na nipa no actual.
To gonna have platform who gauge the mood of the participants and I say also
know what to say. Know what to say.
Or no say MPP for who ye na hi. Ono no to say na yetete wo yi a na nado 80 something years yetete wo yi a wo bie wa no wo papa no maame antete wo yi enti emfia na nado aduru tim ka tie na nado so ye arrogance enam sa papa no maame ama wo ntete enti na yetete wo yi pa dia efia ye to na nade ye senka respect wo ho efia ye to na na bia yetete wo mu yi enam sa papa no maame antete wo yi enti na nado una nano no 80 something years wo so ye arrogant aponti Jantua oye dede nyina so ni ba bitio eye kwan no se na ote apie na asabi e na ote ano oye dede ne na kasesem etwa o isu command ne hontade jesi ne ho toroka Tabia nentadi eshe troka. Oni namuse ya na abrabona bitin because maame na oni maame ni daye na okokwa maame ni ncha okokwa maame ni hu ya na aponti Jantua ne maame ni ba. Oni incest a criminal offense. Ana omo de ti honum ana omo kata so na ode nam ho. Incest a criminal offense. Appointed Jantua say onima go and read the criminal code. Incest a criminal offense. Say wone obi ne ba nyina adabom wone maame no onam so nyina no ayi sugar mommy fo no no omotwempena Onam ho nyina no no ama me nsi wofo no asi me ho na me ba bedifo e na ono omotwempna okumase wo babia ombe no asi ne ho a onto ne bottom onenam ho nyina no akunafo na onenam omo so a ono omotwempna na owia odi bomba akopawia onti wo biem no eno na de ne bre sa boy no ono ara sika kura ntimi nyina ne nsam eye maame na one ne ba ne nyina da bom no one maame ne twempena maame ne hu ya na aponti Jantua ene ne ba no so twempena we nipa we integrity aponti Jantua wo timi kase akofo adoye